Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to pay with QR code on Wise. So first you need to open your Wise, log into your account right here, and then on your Wise account you should go down and you should see this cards. So you need to tap on cards. Once you tap this cards, then you will see option here, like two options. And one of the options is pay with QR code. So you need to click this one, pay with QR code. If you can't see it right here, then you need to update your Wise. So tap on pay with QR code. And then what you're going to do next is you need to point the camera to that specific QR code. So make sure that the QR code is ready. And then you just have to point it, wait for a couple of seconds, tap on continue, click allow, and then point the camera to that specific QR code. And basically, that's it. So you just have to follow the prompts, and then that's how you easily pay with QR code on Wise. Make sure also that you have enough balance to proceed with the transaction. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.